Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on GMT. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that GMT has broken out a very big falling wedge pattern on a weekly time frame chart, and this was my last video by the way. And after the breakout, it was struggling to break out a quite long-term resistance zone. This is the live chart now. You can see that it was trying to break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from 40 cents and goes to 51 cents. That has been previously breaking as a support zone here, resistance and resistance. And now again, we are rejected by this resistance zone and broke down the next support of 30 cents as well. That was previously working as a support here, resistance here, and now it can again work as a resistance. Therefore, also a bearish divergence on the 7 days time frame chart as well. As you can see that the price line was moving up and it was forming higher high, but at the same time stochastic was forming lower high. Therefore, the price line followed this signal of bearish divergence and moved down and broke down even next support of 30 cents as well. But it has again, it is again breaking out this quite long-term resistance of EM at 21, exponential moving average 21. That was previously breaking as a resistance here. And here for a few weeks, we broke it out. And for a while, for 1 or 2 weeks, we broke it down again. And now we are again breaking it out. You can see that the price line has moved above the Ender's resistance, and I'm expecting that soon we may have closing on the 7 days time frame chart above this resistance of EMA 21 as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start analysis, and first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for GMT that I shared on 10th of January 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that was formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. This was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and reached the sell target zone here. And this was almost 21% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal Gardley pattern that was formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. It was completing the final leg. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped more down and completed the leg, entered the buying zone here. Then we had a very, very powerful reversal. And this was almost 39% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you back to this live chart. And you can see that for the past several months, since after April 2021, it was moving inside this falling wedge pattern. And recently, after finding a quite nice support here at 14 cents, you can see that for several weeks, the price line has been testing this support. And finally, we broke out this resistance of the wedge, and we also broke out this quite long-term resistance of EM at 21. But after this rally, there was a bearish divergence flashed as the stochastic was not able to form another higher than previous high. It was forming lower high, and the price line was forming higher high. And therefore, the price line dropped down due to this bearish divergence and broke down the next support of 30 cents. That was a quite significant support, by the way. Previously, it had been breaking as a long-term resistance. And now, the price line will need to break it out once again. And after breaking out this 30 cents resistance imminently, it can move to the next resistance zone that starts from 40 cents and goes to 51 cents. A quite long-term support and resistance zone this is we have here. And therefore, in order to continue this rally to the upside, we will still need to break it out. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $4. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.